went into this thread on Twitter. I thought it was so funny. It said, y'all be 3 weeks pregnant and the baby daddy already left. Girl, kill it. What you doing? Hey, masks don't work. It said, girl, kill it. What you doing? Like it's a spider approaching quickly. I'm gonna call this violent Twitter thread. If you don't follow me on Twitter, please follow me on Twitter at Save Dark Humor. Somebody in the comments said, "Bro, spitting if we keep it a buck," and and the lady throwing a baby. Oh God! How are they gonna know? How would they know? No, seriously, how would they know? They're not gonna know. How would they know? Oh my God! And that's not the most blatantly, honestly messed up thing you've ever heard. Someone said, damn, half y'all wouldn't be here today if y'all parents took y'all advice. We know this. It's like we having fun right now. Stop coming in and trying to ruin things. We over here having us a little villainous laugh right now. Let's just have a moment. Like get out of here with that. Yeah, you right. Now pipe down. Back to the darkness. Somebody said they don't be having abortion money. And then they got a gif of this dude looking like, wait, what? How you gonna say you don't have abortion money? What you got money for diapers and formulas and doctor's visits and stuff and strollers and all of this? You got money for that? You got money for you know what I mean for that first couple of months? Oh, you better find money for that abortion. You ain't got money for that. You don't make sense. That's not the real reason why you keeping it. You stop it right now. What you think? Everybody just gonna give you stuff once the baby get her? Somebody posted a picture of Lois Griffin jumping down the stairs on her belly. Oh my gosh. Another user posted, name the baby Angel because that's what it's finna be when you leave that clinic. Oh my god, yo. People so violent with it, my god. One user said they need child support money. That's why they keeping the baby. A lot of y'all say if your parents applied this logic, you wouldn't be here. First of all, nobody asked to be here anyway. I would have declined myself if I had the choice. No. This lady in the comment beneath her, she casting the spell, yo. She said, "Fetus deletus, fetus deletus." God. Everybody line up to go to hell right now. Everybody, just line up. We all going. But this thread is so funny. We all going to hell. Oh man. Clinic might not be open today, but that's why I love tomorrow. Shout out to Glorilla. There's always a tomorrow. At the end of the day, let's be thankful that a lot of mothers decided to keep us and not, get rid of a life just because she didn't want to deal with the father. Or she didn't want us. She kept us even though, Thank God for those women. Because this Twitter thread is worse than a cigarette roach outside the church house on the ground. It's terrible, yo. But it's enjoyable. Yo, this lady said, for real, if I tell you I'm pregnant and I don't get the response, I'm headed to the clinic. If you suddenly disappear, I'm headed to the clinic. If my money starts looking funny, I'm headed to the clinic. The depopulation scheme is working. This guy said abortion should be mandatory at some point. He just kept it like that. Whoa. Not mandatory. Got to be more careful. Ain't nobody having a child just to get a child support check. That's crazy out loud. That don't even make no sense. You would have more money if you just didn't have it. I'm not saying go abort them. I'm just saying, like, what do you mean she having a child for the child support check? No way. This guy said, I hate to have some of y'all as parents. I know that's right. Like, whoa. This is one of them threads you would never want your children to hear. Whoa. Now some people are just violent. This one lady said, trip on a speed bump. You know what it felt like right now reading this Twitter thread? It felt like looking into a peephole, watching people have a conversation, do something that you ain't got no business doing, and you involved in it. You can't look away, and you just enjoying it, but you know it's wrong, like a disaster. It's like you watching a car crash, like, oh snap, that was bad, but I can't look away. It's terrible. A lot of people in the Twitter thread keep saying women keep their baby because they try to keep the guy around, even though the guy acting like they don't want to be with him, and the guy will come back around eventually because you have their child. This one guy goes by the name of King. He says the trap ain't trapping like it's supposed to trap. I'm about to get out of here.